Unwanted fat in your belly, waist, thighs, is the major cause of weight gain. When you gain weight, you will suffer from blood pressure, diabetes, heart problems, stress, anxiety, and more, affecting your happiness and making you unhealthy. Leanbiome increases your metabolism, promotes better sleep, reduces your hunger and cravings, and helps you attain healthy weight loss. With a Leanbiome supplement, you will find a drastic weight loss within a few weeks. This natural solution drops ugly fat from the belly, thighs, and arms. The formula in the Leanbiome is clinically tested and manufactured in the USA under an FDA-approved facility with potent and rigorous GMP standards as gluten-free, soy-free, and BPA-free that ensures safe results. Finally, no other weight loss product contains this unique combination of natural and proven ingredients that help decrease fat storage in your body and keep you healthy. Get it now. Official link given in the description.